Tired of the same old social media echo chamber? Let's dive into the new decentralized platform, Bluesky, backed by Jack Dorsey, and show you how to snag an invite and get started. Bluesky operates on an invitation system, meaning you'll need a code to sign up. There are a few ways to find one. Firstly, ask around your existing social networks. Friends or followers who are already on Bluesky might have an extra invite code to spare. Secondly, try searching on platforms like Twitter or Reddit for people sharing invite codes. Be cautious of scams and only use codes from trustworthy sources. Finally, keep an eye on Bluesky's official channels, as they occasionally release batches of invite codes. Once you have your coveted invite code, head to the Bluesky website or download the app. You'll see the sign up page. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and carefully paste your invite code into the designated field. With your account created, take some time to familiarize yourself with the interface. The home feed displays posts from people you follow. The profile icon lets you edit your profile and settings, and the search icon allows you to find new accounts. Start building your network. Use the search function to find people you know or accounts that share your interests. Click the follow button to add them to your feed. Now it's time to post. Share your thoughts, ideas, or anything else you want to contribute to the Bluesky community. Don't be afraid to engage with other users' posts and join the conversation. Welcome to Bluesky.